Elise, and I'm here to talk with you today about weaving. The Greensboro Public Library has a lot of great books on weaving and other fiber arts in its collection, including this one, Weaving on a Little Loom by Fiona Dolly. To get you started with some basics, I'm going to show you how to make a simple cardboard loom and the basic weaving stitch. Then you can get started on doing some of the projects in this book. For this project, you will need a piece of cardboard. Ours is an 8-inch by 11-inch piece, and whatever weaving we'll make from it will be smaller than the piece of cardboard. A ruler, scissors, pen or pencil, embroidery thread, and some yarn. I'm going to start by placing my ruler on the short end of my cardboard and marking out each centimeter on the top of our piece. I'll flip around my cardboard and repeat on the opposite short side. Once I've done this, I'll go back and cut a short snip into each of these markings so that your cardboard will have a tiny cut each centimeter on both of the short sides. Once we're finished with all of our cuts, we will then take our embroidery thread, unwind some, and begin to thread our loom. We'll start by securing the thread in one corner along the short edge of our loom. Then we'll take it to the opposite short end, secure it in the first cut, take it around the back, and secure it in the second cut to go to the opposite short end again. We'll do this process back and forth multiple times until our entire loom has its first thread. There should be a dotted line of threads along the back and long threads around the front of your cardboard piece. These strings are your warp. To create our weft, or the threads going in the opposite direction, we will go over and under these threads that we've placed on our loom. Here we have a piece of yarn that's secured to one end of our loom and has a needle on its other end. We'll weave the needle under and over and pull our thread through. We'll continue weaving over and under until we get to the end of our row. And then you've completed your first row. So as we went under our last thread, we'll start by going over it in the opposite direction, turning our thread around to create a second row. As you pull your yarn through, be careful of the tension. If you pull too tight, you'll distort the shape of your weaving by pulling your threads too close to the center. If you leave it too loose, you'll end up with excess yarn on either side of your project. Continue weaving, being mindful of your tension, and remembering to push up your yarn against previous rows as you go. As you continue with your project, you can try out new techniques, textures, and colors to make it uniquely your own. And remember to follow us at GSO Library on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks so much, and have a great day.